Hello, my name is Layton I'm a junior at Hamilton High School, and this is my computer science principles project. I made the game Pawn on Scratch, and yeah, so I'm going to show you a little demonstration. You click the green flag, and then the ball goes, and just don't let it touch your side of the blue, and have it touch the other side. And I won. I got 3 points. It goes to 3. And I'll show you the code. So you start off with blocker 1, which is the blocker that the player is using. And it starts off with when clicked, go to coordinates, and that is the middle starting coordinates. And then it has a forever block with set X to mouse X, so it just follows the mouse on the coordinate X, so it can't go up or down. That's it for that. And then blocker 2 has when clicked, go to coordinates again, which is a top up here. And then as glide, 0.25 seconds to X, and then coordinates, and then another one with different coordinates, and that is repeat until lives lost equals 3 or points equals 3. So basically it just goes back and forth. This is the code that makes this blocker goes back and forth until the game is over. And then it also has a when clicked wait until lives lost or points equals 3, stop everything, which makes the game stop. And then you have these two blocks, which are the scores. So score 1 is the bottom, which is the lives lost, and then score 2 is the points, which is up top here. And then you have the ball, which has most of the code, and I delete that. It starts off with when clicked, point in direction, and it picks a random one from the 45 to negative 45, and then it's that angle which it goes in, which is around this area, makes a little V shape, and it goes in that area. And then as a wait 1 second, so it doesn't start right when you press the green flag, and then it moves forever. And it has an if on edge bounce, which stops it from stopping at the edge. And then this code is when clicked, go to sorting coordinates, which is right in the middle. And then it's on a forever loop. If it's touching blocker 1 or blocker 2, then turn, and it picks a random number, and then moves 20 steps. So it turns in a almost like 180 degrees, but it's not. It's a little less or a little more than that. It's a random number, and then it turns. And then these two are for the point system. So this one shows the variable and sets it to 0, and then it's on a forever loop. If it's touching score 1, which is the bottom right here, it turns and then moves and then changes the lives lost by 1, and then it waits 1 second. And then the 1 second is for if it goes down, if it's touching this, it'll like count it multiple times. So the lives lost will go to like 3 or something. That like if it like goes sideways and it stays on the score 1 for multiple seconds or something. So that stops it from scoring multiple points if it only touches it once. And then the same thing over here, it just a different variable, shows it, points or sets it to 0. And then if touching score 2, picks a random number, moves, and then changes it and waits 1 second. So that is my project, and thank you.